Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the issue where you cannot add a card to your Apple Wallet on your iPhone. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, make sure your iPhone actually supports Apple Wallet and Apple Pay. Older iPhones or outdated iOS version may block the feature. After that, open up Settings. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on General. Inside General, tap on Software Update. And just like that, install the latest version of iOS. Many Apple Wallet issues are resolved just by updating. After that, Apple Pay isn't available in every region. So inside General, scroll below, then tap on Language and Region and make sure your region supports Apple Pay. Just like that, you have to make sure you're signed in with your Apple ID. So head back to Settings, scroll below, tap on Screen Time. And now scroll below again, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now inside here, you want to go ahead and simply ensure that your Apple Wallet isn't being locked. Also, some card needs to be verified by your bank before they can be added. So call your bank or check their app to confirm your card supports Apple Pay. And after you have done that, you need to go ahead and simply restart your iPhone and then try again. If nothing else works, inside Settings, tap on General again, scroll below, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and just like that, tap on Reset Network Settings. This clears network glitches that may stop Apple Wallet from working. That's it. With those top fixes, you will be able to fix unable to add card in Apple Wallet. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.